So today we're going to do a review on this BOSCH JS260 jigsaw right here, which we've had for probably about the past, I would say 4 or 5 years, and it's been working great. So I thought I'd do a little review on it. So without further ado, let's get started. So this jigsaw right here is fairly light. It's not super light, but it weighs probably about 6 or 7 pounds, which is, I mean, it's fairly heavy for a small tool like this, but this thing is also built extremely well. It's got a really nice ergonomic handle. The outside is plastic, but it's a really nice, like, tough, thick plastic. It's going to hold up for a long time. And the base right here, I'll tell you what, this base is like super thick. Yeah, there we go. You can kind of see it is extremely thick, so the base is going to hold up for a super long time, and it's going to be super tough. And yeah, let's go into how the saw actually works. So we have a variable speed like knob on the bottom here, as you can see where my thumb is at. So if we turn it up all the way, it's going to like ramp up to max speed super quick. Then if we turn it all the way down, it's gonna like ramp up very slowly and go slower. So that's kind of their solution for not having a variable speed trigger, which I'm fine with this. This works great, so I'm very happy with it. Also, we have a couple different modes for this thing right here. So on mode 1 or 0, as you can sort of see right there, this thing is gonna only go up and down. The blade's only gonna go up and down, as you can see right here. The blade is only going up and down. If we go straight to mode, I think it's 3, the blade is actually gonna go back and forth a little bit. As you can see, it's moving this little bearing piece back and forth right here. So the blade is actually going back and forth a little bit like this, and this sort of changes the intensity of that going through the different modes. Now this is going to make for some more aggressive cutting if you have it oscillating back and forth on mode 3, but if you're cutting something like some soft wood right here, or maybe some like luan or something like that, mode 1 or 0 is going to work good for that too. Alright, so I forgot to mention this in the original recording, but this thing has a fan built into the front of it down here, so that when you're sawing something, it blows the dust out the way. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. As you can see, if we turn it on, the fan is quite strong, so that's really nice. Now back to the original recording. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set the tripod up for the camera right here so I can show you how the blade taking out mechanism works down here, because it's all toolless and all that stuff, and I'm going to show you how it works. Now the way that we take a blade out on this jigsaw is simply by pushing this red lever right here in. So if we tip it up like this, push it in, the blade is going to fall right out. So you don't have to worry about touching a hot blade or anything like that. Then if we want to put a blade back in, all we got to do is just line it up with this roller right here and then push it into the hole, and then it will clip back in place once the blade is in. So it's that easy. That's probably my favorite part about this saw, is just how easy it is to change blades. It's just a super nice feature. But yeah, we're extremely happy with this jigsaw right here. It works great. It's built well. The blade changing mechanism is just awesome on it. We have different modes up here, variable speed and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, works